Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing. So this is unboxing of a Casio vintage. It is DB-360-1A model. Got it from Mintra. The invoice, how much did I get it for? I got it for 2345. Keep it to the side. So they have a basic DB-360-1F. Okay. Sealed from 4 sides. So all right. My God. All right. So this is made in Thailand, 10/2023 imported. Sweet. This is the watch along with the tag. 30 telememo records, alternate phone book. It's in demo mode right now, as you can see. Light button. Okay. Okay. This is the LED backlight. Okay, we'll get to it later on. First, let us look at the box items. Okay. Comes with a 10-year battery life. Two-year warranty from Casio. Okay. This is the warranty card. All right. This is the watch tag. Effectively, I got it for 2,200. You can purchase gift vouchers on Woohoo and other websites. So there you can easily get a 7% discount if you pay through UPI. Nice thick user manual. This is the watch. So yeah, that's for the quick unboxing. Nothing to say more about the watch. It is already a well-known product. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.